From the MRG series, which is G-Shock's top of the range lineup, comes a cutting edge design based on the original DW5000. These watches are named the Kiwami Aozumi models. Kiwami meaning extreme or pinnacle. This is the MRGB5000B1, and the reason this watch is so expensive is because of its use of premium materials across the bezel, case and bracelet. The bezel is made from 25 individual parts, as you can see here, which is a far cry from how Casio would normally make this type of bezel, where it would be one single piece. The case and bezel are made of an extremely hard Ti64 titanium alloy, while the bracelet is made of DAT55G titanium alloy, which is actually 3 times harder than pure titanium. You can see that the bezel has some really nice polishing to it. This polishing is known as Salaz polishing, and Salaz polishing is used to give steel or titanium parts a surface so smooth that it gives the appearance of being completely black from almost every angle, even though the material would have originally been a more regular steel color. This polishing does make for a very beautiful watch to look at. Its sharp edges and details are quite pleasing to the eye. These gold accents across the face and on the buttons and case back really pop over the black titanium. The lockable clasp offers good security while wearing this beauty, and you'd want it for the price tag. If you're not a fan of the polished black look, then the MRGB5000D one is another option. Sporting the same super hard titanium alloy, but this time with a polished silver look, this one is a tad cheaper. Both watches here are solar powered, which, like I've said before, is the most convenient way to power a watch. Get it in the sun for a few hours a month and there is no chance of this one running flat. Have I mentioned that both of these watches are some of the scarcest Casio MRG watches out there? There are only 300 of these produced globally, making it the rarest watch we've shown here on the Watch Depot YouTube channel. What do you think? Would you wear one of these watches? Is it worth the price tag? Let me know in the comment section down below, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos similar to this one. Click the link in the description to check out these, and thanks for watching.